Have you ever wanted to explore the world of creative writing? Wondered what it would be like to breathe life into characters, weave intricate plots, or paint vivid landscapes with just words? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Creative Writing Workshop. I'm Melissa, your guide on this exciting journey into the world of creative writing. It's going to be an adventure filled with discoveries, challenges, and above all, creativity. We'll kick off our journey with a brief overview of what we'll cover during our time together. This week, we're diving into the basics. We'll explore what creative writing is all about, the different forms it can take, and we'll even get our creative juices flowing with some stimulating writing exercises. But before we delve into all that, it's important for us to get to know each other a little better. After all, creativity thrives in a community. So I'd love for you to introduce yourself in the comments section. Share your name and one thing you hope to achieve from this workshop. Now, onto the heart of the matter. What is creative writing? In its simplest form, it's writing that comes from the heart, the mind, the imagination. It's writing that tells a story, expresses an emotion, conveys an idea. It can be a novel, a poem, a screenplay, or even a blog post. In this workshop, we'll explore all these forms and more. We'll delve into the craft of storytelling, the art of poetry, the technique of script writing, and the skill of blogging. But remember, the key to mastering creative writing is practice. So here's your first exercise. Think of a simple object, like a pen or a cup. Now write a short paragraph describing it in the comments. But here's the catch. Try to describe it in a way that evokes emotion. To summarize, in this workshop, we'll explore the world of creative writing, delve into its various forms, and practice our skills with interactive exercises. Remember, creativity is a journey, not a destination. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.